Hello and welcome to this Readynez also office hours September 2020. This is a recorded session due to the technical problems we had at September 8th. In this session I'm going to lead you through the process of becoming a Microsoft Dynamics 365 Business Central partner, which courses are relevant and which exams are available. My name is Pike Andersen and I'm a freelance lead MCT and Microsoft subject matter expert. My background is 36 years of implementing Business Central, or Dynamics Nav as it was called, and I've trained thousands of delegates over the years. I've also written 4 books about the subject. The path to succeed as a Business Central partner is a number of courses for your organization, and there's a single exam. However, your organization must also be geared to be able to handle implementations of ERP systems, since it's much different from selling and implementing an Office 365 or hosted solutions. But let's go through the steps one by one. The first course is Getting Started with Business Central. This is a 2-day virtual course where you are introduced to the Business Central client and the platform. We switch between the on-premise and SaaS solution, highlighting the advantages in the 2 platforms. Other than that, it contains Business Central as an ERP system, how we got to the cloud, which clients are available, how to develop for Business Central, not that it's going to be a development course, but just the different methods, the modern client, how to customize the UI and setting up Business Central, maintaining master data, and entering data into Business Central. In the end, you will have an overview of what Business Central is, how it works, and how it's operated, and what clients are available. The second course is Building a Repeatable Business with Business Central. This is also a 2-day virtual course where you are introduced to the process of implementing Business Central, how to start and how to decide between the on-premise and the SaaS version, but also how to migrate to the cloud. We focus on how to have processes of a company implemented in the Business Central and how to make this into a repeatable business so you don't have to start all over every time. The content here is the implementation method, how to migrate to the cloud, the Rapid Start, which is a tool to help you migrating data to Business Central, the application setup process, Office 365 integration. Then we go through the processes of finance, sales, purchase, and basic inventory. This will give you a more in-depth knowledge about the application of Business Central. Having gone through the first 2 courses, the third course can be delivered virtual, but in my point of view, it gives more value to attend an on-premise course. This course gives an in-depth tour of the Business Central application, and the content here is a technology overview, the application setup, essential finance processes, advanced finance processes, the supply chain in Business Central, reporting, and then at last fixed assets. This is also the course that best prepare you for the coming exam, MB 800 Business Central Functional Consultant. The MB 800 exam functions as a foundation for all type of consultants. That includes the business consultants, developers, trainers, project managers, and so on. So it's designed to be a stepping stone, so later maybe other exams will follow. We don't know that yet. Right now the MB 800 includes setting up Business Central, configuring financial, sales and purchasing, and performing Business Central operations. This exam will be available from October 2020 as a beta, and the final release will be November 2020. Lastly, it's possible to continue on the development track. This is a 5-day course where both the Seaside and the Visual Studio Code development environments are included. The course includes the Seaside Object Designer to see what are the different objects in Business Central. We'll look into developing in Visual Studio Code. We include Git and GitHub or DevOps integration. We see how to create new objects, extend existing objects, an introduction to the AL language, and then lastly, design pattern in building solution for Business Central. Also and Readynez have set everything up for you to extend your business to also include implementing Business Central for your customers. We are ready, but the question is, are you ready?